All right, welcome back to Mr. PL's with Geometry. This is Unit 1, Topic 2, Part 2, Day number 1. So in this case, in this video, we're going to be constructing an equilateral triangle and a regular hexagon. And I do apologize right here from the beginning because I don't have my compass here on this computer, so I'm going to have to be explaining the process of how to use that compass. So number 1 is, okay, so this is the start of a construction for a perpendicular bisector. So this is D, because clearly these 2 points, because this arc was made from N, same with this arc, and this arc was made from point M. And therefore, these 2 points are equal distance to both points M and N. So if you connect them, then it literally splits it in half and it makes 90 degrees. So these 2 sides are the same. Over down here, we have an angle bisector, proving that this angle and this angle are exactly the same, and that would be choice C. That's ABD and angle CBD, which is the bottom angle. Okay, so those 2 have to be the same. Those are some homework pages. So in this video, once again, we're going to be constructing equilateral triangles, which is actually a very easy construction. So what you do is you put your fixed point on E, and then you put your pencil on Q, and then you make that arc so it looks something like this. Now you can make a full circle around E if you want, and then you're going to do the exact same thing by putting your fixed point on Q and making the exact same arc. Now once again, you can make a full circle, and I do apologize because once again I don't have a compass here, but what I do find out when you do this is that that point is now equal distant to both letters, to both points. So therefore, if I connect it to both E and Q, and I've got myself an equilateral triangle. And that's pretty much how you make the triangle. Now, if you're going to construct a hexagon, first thing I would do is I would give myself the exact same radius. I need to move this down here into the center of my paper, otherwise it's not going to fit. So I'm going to first put my fixed point on H, make an arc on X, copy it down here so that basically I have the exact same length. Now I can erase this part because I don't really need this over here, so that all I have is the exact same segment as up here. Now from this center, which is a copy of H, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep doing that arc so that it makes a full circle. Okay, now to construct a hexagon, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep that same radius, and I'm going to put my fixed point at this point right here, and I'm going to keep making that arc. So once I make this arc here, that point of intersection, I'm going to move my fixed point there and then make it again, move my fixed point again, and by the time you're done, so what you should end up having is 6 equal spaced out points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then using my straight edge, if I simply connect those 6 equally spaced out fixed points, it's going to make a regular hexagon. Now, I know it's a little bit hard to do this without actually using the compass, but there you go. That's basically the steps needed to construct a hexagon. All right, and then everything else in this video is basically just repeating of the same process. I'm going to stop it right there. Thanks again for watching, and please let me know in the comments if you have any questions I can answer about how to make these. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.